If you want to hide an app on OPPO Find X9, then what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the app that you wish to hide, either on the home screen or the app drawer. So in my case, I'm gonna choose this app over here. I'm gonna press and hold my finger. Now in here, you might need to tap on more features in order to find the app lock option, or it might be immediately visible over here. So you want to choose app lock, and then we have the hide option. So you can tap on hide, but in order to be able to hide the app, you need to have the privacy password. So if you don't have one yet, then we can just tap on setting, and then we can start creating the privacy password that will be used to access those hidden apps. So in this case, we can also tap on use a different password type in order to choose something else. In my case, I'm going to use a pattern. So enter your password twice, the privacy password, of course, in order to confirm. You can also link the privacy password with your HeyTap account or OPPO account. So it is easier to recover the password in case you forget it, for example, or you can just tap not now if you don't want to. Now, if you choose to not use the account, then we can set up the recovery email or a security question. In this case, I'm just gonna choose literally anything, but in your case, of course, you should properly set up these security measurements to actually be able to recover the password in case you actually forget it. Then we have the access methods for hidden apps. So how you want to find those hidden apps. And we have two options. You can either use the access code, which of course we can set up as well, or you can just have a home screen folder that will be of course locked behind the privacy password. You can still customize the folder's name and style if you want to. In my case, I'm gonna use the access code. You can actually use both options at the same time. In my case, I'm gonna actually stick with the access code. Let's set it up, and now we need to enter the code that we wish to enter in the phone app in order to access these hidden apps. So in this case, I'm gonna use a simple zero hashtag code, and let's tap on done. There we go. And as you can see, you can actually use both things at the same time, both methods. And for home screen folder settings, we can also change the icon, of course. We can also change the name in here, but I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and we're gonna tap on done. So now if we go to the home screen, if you use the home screen method, then you should be able to find the hide apps app somewhere. So you can tap on it, enter the password, and there we go, we have our hidden apps. From here we can also add more apps, and you can also go to the phone app if you use the access code, and open the keypad and then enter the access code. There we go, simple as that. And besides that, if we open settings and choose security and privacy, then in here we should be able to find the hide apps option. So we can enter the password in order to find all apps, of course, that we have on our phone, and we can see if they are hidden or not. So you can choose to hide apps from here as well. We can tap on the setting icon in the upper right corner in order to find some additional options. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.